नमस्कार दोस्तों। तो यहाँ पे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट है दैट इज़ फ्रॉम AIBRF और जिसमें पार्टिसिपेशन रहा है डिप्टी CLC IBA के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स का और DFS के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स का। तो यहाँ पे स्टार्ट करेंगे विद द लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स दोस्तों। उससे पहले यहाँ पे प्लीज़ मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब टू चैनल को यहाँ पे दोस्तों जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर लेना फॉर द लेटेस्ट बैंकिंग, पेंशन, RRB और जितने भी रिलेटेड अपडेट्स रहेंगी तो यहाँ पे आप लोग साथ यहाँ पे शेयर करते रहेंगे फ्रेंड्स। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं विद द ऑफिशियल सर्कुलर। तो यहाँ पे एक सर्कुलर ही लॉन्च हुआ है तो उसी को यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे इन अ वेरी क्विक मैनर, आपका ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लेते हुए। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं विद द ओरिजिनल अपडेट। सो इट्स ऑल इंडिया बैंक रिटायरीज फेडरेशन, the office bearer, central committee members, state committee chief AIBRF, dear sir, regarding joint meeting convened by Deputy CLC on 14th of March to hold further discussion on AIBRF representation on GMIS ग्रुप मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस स्कीम के ऊपर ये इंपॉर्टेंट सर्कुलर 15 मार्च का क्या क्या हैपनिंग्स रही हैं उसको डिस्कस करने के लिए है। एज यू आर अवेयर दैट AIBRF हैज़ बीन vigorously pursuing the matter of bringing improvements in group medical insurance scheme to for the retirees to make it affordable for all the sections of retirees. So in this regard, AIBRF had submitted representations on GMIS to Chief Labour Commissioner New Delhi in September last year, September 2022 में ये फाइल हुआ था, seeking their intervention to resolve retirees grievances in the matter. So on our representation, CLC is kind enough to hold 4 joint meetings in the past with the representatives of IBA, DFS and AIBRF to resolve the issues. So comprehensive and detailed discussions has taken place in the joint meeting to take the issues forward and resolve it. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं 5th joint meeting जो convened करी है by CLC on 14th of March and it was attended by following parties. It was presided by Deputy Chief Labour Commissioner Central New Delhi. Representatives were present from IBA, representatives from DFS, Government of India and representatives from All India Bank Retirees Federations were present. So you can here also check in the picture also you can see it was presided by Deputy Chief CLC Central New Delhi, representatives from IBA, DFS, AIBRF. Joint photo of meeting convened by CLC on 14th of March. So during the proceedings, AIBRF submitted their rejoinder number on the subject on the issues raised in the last joint meeting that was held on 6th of February 2023 and copy of this rejoinder is enclosed for your reference. Violation of terms and conditions of settlement in the fixing premium for the retirees. Benefit of domiciliary is not extended to the retirees as per the terms of the settlement and benefits of corporate buffer is not extended to the retirees and AIBRF is not provided forum to place their grievances on issuing arising out of the settlement as per the advice of parliamentary committee. So the representation given by AIBRF on the issues of retirees are neither acknowledged nor replied to. In response to above, IBA representative responded as under. तो IBA ने क्या क्या यहाँ पे रिप्रेजेंटेटिव करा, कमेटी ऑफ चीफ जनरल मैनेजर्स ऑफ मेंबर बैंक्स and outside expert is being constituted which will suggest ways to improve terms of GMIS for next year. He further assured that IBA would consider all possible ways and means to make the policy affordable for retirees and no further. He further agreed that the issues raised by AIBRF on the scheme will be placed before the committee for consideration and appropriate recommendations on them. So in the last it mutually agreed as under. AIBRF can submit suggestions on the scheme for the consideration of committee of CGMs and IBA representatives agree to place AIBRF suggestions before the committee and points raised by AIBRF would be flagged in the committee for consideration. उसके बाद जो next date of joint meeting would be convened by CLC after receiving outcomes of CGM's committee. So it is historical development on the issue of GMIS and direct dialogue with IBA on retirees issues. So it is organization efforts of AIBRF that most important matter raised by us has moved forward significantly and substantially. It has provided new confidence and trust among lakhs of retirees. and AIBRF will be submitting representation to the committee of CGMs being constituted by IBA in the matter for its consideration as agreed in the joint meeting, and office bearers are requested to send their suggestions on the scheme for our consideration. In view of the time constraint, our office bearers are requested to send the suggestion by 20th of March, friends. So this was the latest circular.